The sun rises gently over a suburban neighborhood, casting a golden glow on the quiet streets. Inside a cozy home, the family begins to wake up, stretching and rubbing their eyes. The morning routine starts in earnest. Parents and children brushing teeth, scrubbing faces, and getting dressed. The kitchen, bathed in sunlight, becomes the center of activity as everyone comes together to prepare breakfast. Laughter and the clinking of dishes fill the air as they enjoy a hearty meal, setting the tone for the day. After breakfast, the family engages in a variety of activities. The children, full of energy, run around the backyard, playing with the family dog. A parent tends to the garden, while another sets up a workspace for remote work. Meanwhile, the kids settle into their homeschooling or online classes, their focus shifting to the day's lessons. The family helps each other with chores, turning mundane tasks into moments of connection and teamwork. Lunchtime arrives, and the family reassembles in the kitchen. Together, they prepare a healthy, delicious meal, chopping vegetables and stirring pots with coordinated efficiency. Once the table is set, they sit down for a lively conversation, sharing stories and laughter. Close-up shots reveal the vibrant colors and textures of the food, complemented by the warm smiles of the family members. The afternoon brings adventures. A trip to the local park, playground, or nature trail provides a change of scenery and fresh air. The family plays sports, has a picnic, and explores the surroundings, capturing candid moments of joy and togetherness. The camera catches the twinkle in a child's eye as they discover something new, or a parent's hearty laugh. Back at home, creative and leisure time takes over. One child paints while another strums a guitar. Parents join in, baking cookies or working on a puzzle. Books are read, board games are played, and a family-friendly movie draws everyone to the living room. Every frame captures the family's bond, the simple pleasures of being together. As evening approaches, dinner preparation begins. The family moves with practiced ease, chopping, frying, and baking side by side. The dining table is set, casting a warm, inviting glow. Dinner is a time for sharing the highlights of the day and making plans for tomorrow. The day winds down with relaxation and quiet activities. The living room becomes a haven for conversation and unwinding. Children take baths, listen to bedtime stories, and are tucked in snugly. Parents spend a few moments reflecting on the day, savoring the quiet togetherness. The video concludes with a peaceful nighttime scene of the house, the family members sound asleep. The final shots capture the serene night sky, dotted with stars, framing the narrative of a day filled with love, warmth, and the simple joy of family life.